Today we will cover two functions, MINX and MAXX. So we already covered min and max. So whenever you see x at the end of any function, so which means these are iterator functions. So we already looked at some x. So let's see that practically. So I'll apply, let's say, minimum bonus amount, and then I'll say min x, so which means it will take table first and r is table 1, and expression will be the annual salary, and then we will multiply it by bonus percentage. So this function will calculate the bonus for everybody like row by row, and then it will give us the person who got the minimum bonus. And let's do it for the maximum as well. So maximum bonus and max x, again table 1, and then expression will be annual salary multiply by bonus percentage. So which means this will calculate for everybody first, and then it will give us the maximum bonus for that person. So let's put that into pivot table, minimum bonus amount and maximum bonus amount. If you see, minimum bonus amount is 0 and maximum bonus amount is 70,000, and that's it.